I'm going to teach you how to use Carding app to sell gift card in year 2026. Before we get started, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification, like this video and also share it for more people to see. If you have any question, write it in the comment section. Go to Play Store or Apple Store and download this application called Carding. After you download it, click any option down here, guys. Click any option around and it will show you this interface. You can see down here, you can see not yet register, sign up. Click on sign up and it will take you to this interface. You can see email and phone number. If you want to register with phone number, you click on phone number. If you want to register with your Gmail, you click on Gmail. Now the next thing is to select your country. Click on country and select Nigeria. Now put your functional Gmail because you are going to receive code with it. Put your functional Gmail here. The next thing, you can see verification code. Leave it first. Jump to where it says password. Do you understand right now? Write your password. Make sure it starts with capital letter like Godwin, for example. Let's say Godwin. Add number at the back and any symbol like this. It will be successful. Now confirm your password again. And the next thing is your invitation. Guys, put this invitation code to register. Do you understand right now? Because if you use this invitation code to register, you are going to get a welcome bonus of 3,000 naira and they are also going to reward me. But if you didn't use it, you will not get a welcome bonus and they will not reward me. I will say you should please use it so both of us can get bonus. Do you understand right now? After you put this invitation code, the next thing you are going to do is to go back to where it says verification code, and you can see at the front of it, you can see send. Tap on that send. Immediately you tap on that send, they are going to send code to your Gmail or your phone number, depend on which one you use. Immediately take that code and put it here before it expires. Click on sign up and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand now? Now I'm going to log into my own account and show you how to use Carding app to sell your gift card in year 2026 and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Guys, let me log in and we continue. Now I have logged into my own account right now. You can see the next thing you are going to do right now. You can see down here, you can see home, sell, transaction. Click on sell. Now you can see category. Click on category and select the gift card you want to see. You want to sell the type you want to sell. Scroll down until you see the one you want to sell. Now let's say Steam, for example. I'm going to select it. Now you can see countries. Click on country and scroll down until you see the country of your gift card. I'm going to select USA, for example. My card is US card. You can see balance. My card is $100, for example. That's your balance there. The next thing, you can see physical and code. Physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store. Why e-code or code is a gift card that someone purchased on websites. So that is code or e-code. So they will send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. So that is it. I'm going to choose physical card. And the next thing you can see, please enter the code. Optional. They are telling you to enter the code of your gift card here. And after that, you click on sell and your card will be sold successfully. But if you have the image of your gift card, just click on this box. Click on upload from gallery, then select the image of your gift card and upload it. After you upload it, click on sell and it will say success in few seconds. And this amount, 104,799 naira, it will be available on your balance. When you go to home like this and you fill your balance, it will be available here. You understand right now? The next thing is to withdraw your money to your bank account. You can see this three line up here. Click on it. You can see wallet. Click on wallet. Now you can see add bank card. Click on add bank card. Select the bank you are using. All Nigerian bank are here. Select the one you are using. Write the name on your bank account. Write your account number and put your card password here. Then click on submit and your bank account will be added successfully, just like mine. You can see my OPay here. The next thing you are going to do, you come back here and click on withdraw. Write the amount you want to withdraw out of your money, and if you want to withdraw everything, you are the owner of your money. Write it and click on confirm to withdraw, and sharp your money will deliver to your bank account, guys. So this is how to use Carding app to sell your gift card in year 2026, guys. Like this video, write something in the comments if you have any question, then share it for more people to see, guys. One love.